In this video, we're going to convert an equation of an ellipse into standard form. It says find the standard form of the ellipse given below in general form. So we have this 9x squared plus 72x plus 16y squared minus 32y plus 16 is equal to 0. And we're looking to get it into basically this form here, which would be x minus h squared over a squared, or b squared technically, so plus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1. We're looking to get into this form. Now to do that, we're going to have to, because we have x minus h squared, we're going to have to actually complete the square on this. So we're going to have to move the 16 over. So we get 9x squared plus 72x plus 16y squared minus 32y equal negative 16. So that's the first step, is move the 16 to the right side. Now, I want to take this 9x squared plus 72x, this quadratic, and I need it to factor to x minus h squared. But in order to do that, I'm going to have to complete the square. So I'm going to kind of separate these two pieces, x squared plus 72x, and separate the y squared and the y, and kind of treat them separately for a little bit. So we're going to factor out a 9. I get 9x squared plus 72x, and I'm going to put a little space here, and then plus factor out 16, and then we have y squared. Hoping I screwed that up. I should have, when I factored, let me just rewrite this. When I factor a 9 out, I get 9 parentheses x squared plus 8. I'm going to leave some space. And then plus factor 16 out of this, so 16. I'd have y squared minus 2y, leave a little space, equal negative 16. So I'm leaving space so I can complete the square. So to complete the square, you take the middle term. I should have an x there. You take the middle term, divide it by 2. So we're going to have 8 divided by 2, and then we're going to square that. And then we do the same thing over here. Negative 2 divided by 2, and then square that. So this gives you 1, and this would give you 8 divided by 2 is 4, squared is 16. So I'm going to add a 16 in here, and I'm going to add a 1 right here. So we have 9 x squared plus 8x plus 16. And then we have plus 16 y squared minus 2y plus 1 equal to negative 16. And now I have two pieces I need to add in over here. I added a 16 into the left side, and I added a 1 to the left side as well. So I've got two different spots, two different numbers I need to add in. Well, I put a 16 inside these parentheses that were being multiplied times 9. So I really need to add whatever 9 times 16 is, which 9 times 16 is 144. And then I also need to add whatever 16 times 1 is, because I put the 1 inside the parentheses, it's times 16, so I add in 16. And then I factor this, so that would be 9. This factors to x plus 4 squared, plus this factors to 16 times y minus 1 squared is equal to the negative 16 and the 16 cancel here, so I get equal to 144. Now I need this all equal to 1, so I'm going to divide everything here and here by 144. And 9 over 144 reduces to 1/16, so this would be x plus 4 squared over 16, and then plus 16 over 144 is 1/9, so we get y minus 1 squared over 9 is equal to 144 over 144 is 1. So this would be standard form for an ellipse, and we took a general form for the ellipse here, and we completed the square really twice, and then we ended up in standard form.